Hello guys. For today, I will be teaching you on how to have Microsoft Azure account, which is has like the previous video, which is a free tier. But in Microsoft, they will be giving a $100 credit for us to use the services that they had, and mostly that's will be it. So in this case, we will be needing to have a GitHub Student Developer Pack, which is the benefits that is being given by GitHub to students mostly. So for us to have a Microsoft Azure account, we will be using the GitHub Student Benefits. So for this one, just search GitHub Student Developer Pack in your preferred browser. Then just go on the first link, which is from the GitHub Education. And then we will be assigning to click on sign in first for us to have that. And then you will be just needing to log in your school email that has the student benefits. Never. There you go. And then after that, just click on the explore more offers part. And then in this case, we will be scrolling until we see the Microsoft Azure benefits that they are giving. So this is the Microsoft Azure. It says Microsoft Azure Cloud Services and Learning. No credit card required. Free access of 25 plus Microsoft Azure Cloud Services. So they will be giving a $100 in Azure credit for student age 18 plus. So we will be just need to click the link, which is this, get access by connecting GitHub account to Microsoft Azure. Then let's just wait. And then you can see what are the products that we can use. So they have the Azure virtual machine, the SQL database, Azure App Services. It is like the upload, easier upload, or AWS Lambda in AWS. So in this case, we will just need to start free. And then after that, you will be needing to log in your school email that that you use in signing to the GitHub Student Developer Pack. So in my case, I will be using this one. There we go. And we will be needing a password. So for security purposes, I will skip on the verification part of my account. Now, after the verification part of our account, we will be put in this verification, academic verification. So we will be just needing to fill this out. So in my case, let's fill out what I had. I'm from Asia Pacific College. So in this case, I have then my date of birth, which is 2, 2003. Then you will just be having the CAPTCHA. Pick one square that has two identical objects. This one done. Then just click on the verify academic status after that. So in this case, let's just wait for this one, confirming your account. So this will take a while, or just a second in our case. So Azure for Student, it is now giving us this one. So we will be need to hop another. So we can just add email address that we use. Then some comment. Please do not enter your country code in your PIN. It is optional, so we can just go to the address. The provinces, Manila, Central Greatly. I understand. Then it is up to you now to if you want to receive some information or share information with other uh Microsoft accounts. So just use this address. It's up to you. So we will be waiting for this one to load. So we'll just skip the video for this one. So now we pop up with this part, which is protect your account and enabling multi-factor authentication for us to have a more secured Azure account. After that, as you can see, it's now on Microsoft Azure. We can now already have the overview of, or we can now already use Microsoft Azure with the 100 credits. As you can see, student offer details. The available credits that we have is $100 out of 100. It expires in 1 year. So it is January 5 today. It will be expiring in January 5, 2026. So make sure to make use of it, of the credits that you had. And I think that's it for uh, having a Microsoft Azure account with free available credits. So that's all for the video today. I hope you learned something.